Creating an HR management system in Airtable allows you to organize employee data, track performance, and streamline HR processes. Here's how to set it up. Create a base. Log into Airtable and create a new base titled HR Management System. Set up tables. Employees table. Include fields for name, contact information, department, job title, start date, and performance ratings. Attendance table. Track attendance with fields for employee name, date, and attendance status. Leave request table. Manage leave applications with fields like employee name, leave type, start date, end date, and approval status. Performance reviews table. Record performance data with fields for employee name, review date, reviewer, and comments. Link records. Use linked records to connect related data between tables. Customize views. Create views to filter data, such as pending leave approvals or new employees. Use calendar views to track employee milestones like onboarding or appraisals. Automations. Set up automations to notify managers of leave requests or performance reviews. Collaborate and share. Share the base with HR team members to allow real-time updates and collaboration.